All right, guys, we're on the Olympic Peninsula. We're gonna hopefully catch some fish. This is actually my fourth fishing video, but I haven't caught anything yet. So hopefully we'll get something this time. And we'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, about a mile in. Trail's pretty steady up. There's really not much to film, but second growth trees here. And give you an update here in a little bit. Hopefully the scenery changes. Alright guys, we are now out of the second cut, and now we're starting to see some old growth, which is nice. Bigger trees. Oh man, hike's a little harder than I expected, to be honest. I think we're on top of ridge line. Pretty steep going up that. Looks like there's a nice view right here. That's pretty. Oh wow. Carry on. Any trout in here? Oh man, didn't realize this was going to be this difficult. I'm not going to lie. This feels harder than last week's hike. Last week we did, supposedly this is 1,000 less vertical, but I'll tell you what, it doesn't feel like it. I am complete. Oh, and I fell. Yep. Completely soaked. Sweat. But can't quit now. Whew. Yeah, this is pretty much straight up. I better catch some fish after this effort. Oh, I'll be mad if I don't. It's pretty much straight up this ridge. Anyway, see you later. Oh, on the top of the ridge. Gotta go back up there. Oh, all right, guys, we made it. Oh man, that was hard, really hard. This water's crystal clear. Wow, look at that, crystal clear. Oh, there's a trout right there. Look at this, guys. There's a trout right there. Let's see if I could get him. There's a trout right there, you guys, right in the stream. Of course I get tangled right at the end. See if I could get this trout. Small guy, but look at that. Got him. That was fast. Look at that, you guys. One cast. Not even at the main lake yet. We already got one. Beautiful rainbow. Just came off. Let's see if we can get another one. Let's get my hands wet so I don't hurt the fish. Oh, bald eagle just flew over my head. Look at that, you guys. Bald eagle. Right there. Right on that tree. How cool. Oh, there's so many trout in here, you guys. I want to put the camera in the water and I gotta get over here more. Got him. Look at that, you guys. Oh, came off again. I gotta get my net. I don't have my net out, but man, I could do this all day. I got a single barb hook on. I'm gonna switch to a different. Alright guys, we're gonna switch lures. I got my single barb on, so they're just coming off. There's no reels up here, so I had about 6 bites. All right, guys, just eat some food. Got the bug spray on, and there is a lot of fish jumping, so let's see what we can get. Still getting attacked by bugs. First cast. some jumping right there. Alright guys, I'm not getting much luck out here. They're jumping everywhere, but I think they're just too small. Alright guys, I'm just going to try right here. I could see the fish. Change lures too. Alright guys, I'm going to try this spot again. No luck at the lake. So, I know there's some in here. Really bad cast. It's hard to cast in these shallow spots. Alright, got one. Came off again. I'm not leaving here until I get a fish on camera. Because I hiked way too hard. Oh, there's fish right in there. Oh, there's a bunch right there, you guys. Oh, jeez. We're gonna get one. Ooh, nice one. All right, guys. We got a nice one. Stay on. Ooh, nice trout. Finally. Ooh, nice rainbow. Nice rainbow. Come on. Look at that, guys. Finally. And you want to get your hands wet. Nice little rainbow. All right, let's get off of here. Beautiful. Beautiful rainbow. I got him hooked pretty good. All right, nice fish there, guys. But I have to get my pliers out because that was so hard to... I think I'm going to debarb this hook too, just because it's already a 3. That's a nice fish for a little stream. That was a nice fish. Just got a nice bite. I took the barbs off because it's hard to get the fish off and I don't want to kill them, so here we go. There's some fish in here. Little guy. Very, very little. Get the net. Very small. Little guy. Beautiful though. Got him hooked right here. Got him hooked pretty good. Just get this off. I gotta get my pliers again. Where are my pliers at? I'll let this guy go. He's stuck in the net. We don't want that. I guess it'll be easier. There he goes.